guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some Mahi Mahi Fish Tacos. So let's go ahead and get into it.
All right, y'all. So I'm going to start off making an avocado lime slaw using about half a cup of mayo. Then we're going to use 1 avocado. Don't be like me, y'all, and use an avocado straight out the fridge because this thing was hard as a rock. And as y'all can see, I was struggling so bad with this avocado. This avocado almost made me quit, y'all. I'm just kidding. But anyways, after that, you're going to go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of lime juice, a half a cup of cilantro, 2 teaspoons minced garlic, and 4 tablespoons of diced jalapenos. And then we seasoned it with a little salt and pepper. Now, I used the blender to pulsate this into a nice creamy sauce. You can use whatever you want to use to blend it up. Okay, so for the slaw, I just used one of these pre-packaged little shredded coleslaw bags. And then after that, I added my avocado creamy sauce to the bowl and gave it a good mix until it was all well incorporated. Y'all, this slaw turned out so good. The avocado and the lime juice together, y'all, so creamy. It was a little sweet with a little bit of like a sour taste. Not too sour though, but it was good though, y'all. This is what it looks like. And after that, I just put it in the fridge to keep it cool while I made everything else. After that, we went ahead and started on my salsa, my mango salsa. So start off by cutting up a tomato. I have this little cutting thing, y'all. I don't know what it's called, but I have this cutter and it be about to take me out sometimes because you have to literally slam the thing down to cut it. And that's why y'all see me just doing it over and over again. So I use tomatoes, a red onion, and of course some mangoes. And now I bought some pre-cut mangoes from the store already just to make the process a little easier, but I did have to dice them up a little smaller because they were a little too big for my little mango salsa that I needed. After that, I went ahead and added just a little bit of cilantro. I gave everything a good mix to make sure it was all evenly spread. Then after that, we hit it with some fresh lime juice. Of course, this is the best part of the salsa is the lime juice. Then we hit it with a pinch, y'all, of salt and pepper. Literally a pinch, not too much because you don't want it salty and you don't want it too spicy. So now it's time to work with this mahi mahi, y'all. So I started off by trying to de-skin this mahi mahi. And y'all, it was a struggle. And I was like, you know what? No, forget it. We just gonna go ahead and cut it up. Whatever skin we got, we're gonna deal with that later. So we're gonna go ahead and dice this mahi mahi up into little bitty bite sizes for our taco. This was my first time working with mahi mahi, to be honest, so I didn't really know what I was doing. But anyways, we're going to season it like we season any fish. A little avocado oil, some garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. And then because it was tacos, I decided to add some fajita seasoning to it, along with some Tony's just for a little extra flavor. Then I gave it a little hit with some Obey. So after that, I went ahead and got my pan nice and hot for my mahi mahi. I added a little bit of avocado oil so the fish would not stick to the pan. Then I added the fish into the pan. As y'all see, I still had skin on there, but don't worry, I did pull it all off. I went ahead and cooked these for about 10 to 15 minutes until they were done. Then I went ahead and chopped them up for the tacos. And after that, it was time to add our tortillas and get those nice and hot. Now, these were low-calorie tortillas, so they did look a little different. Anyways, I didn't record me constructing the tacos, but y'all, these came out so good and amazing. So much flavor to these tacos. Thank y'all for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss when I put out my next video. Until next time, guys, bye!